Hello again, thanks for joining. Today we're making a visit to Abercorn Church. It's nestled within the peaceful hamlet of Abercorn, a short distance from Queensferry and the iconic Forth Road Bridge. The Abercorn Church has a long and rich history, with some parts dating back to the 1100s. Yet, to many it is also known as a filming location for the TV show Outlander. More on that later. Approaching the church, you'll be immediately captivated by its architectural blend of styles and eras, and its surroundings of ancient trees. The south side of the church, however, overlooks a serene churchyard filled with tombstones dating back to the 17th century. Silent narratives of lives lived long ago, the gravestones communicate through symbols that provide glimpses into the trades, beliefs and mortality of those buried here. From skulls and angels to rolling pins and horseshoes, these symbols paint a vivid picture of a bygone era. These grounds hold a sacred legacy that stretches back to the late 400s when Saint Ninian visited this area. Inspired by his teachings, his followers soon established a church here, which is believed to be one of the earliest in this region of Scotland. In the late 600s, Abercorn gained further prominence when the Northumbrians designated it as the seat of one of their 4 bishops, with the other 3 residing in the much well-known York, Hexham and Lindisfarne. However, the peaceful serenity of the church was shattered when the Picts emerged victorious in the decisive Battle of Nechtansmere in AD 685. And that saw the overthrow of the Northumbrians in this area. In the wake of this defeat, the Bishop of Abercorn, Bishop Drumwine, hastily led his community of monks to seek refuge in the safety of Whitby. With the church abandoned, this pivotal event heralded a significant turning point in Abercorn's history, and as the power and influence of the Northumbrians diminished, it left the church in a state of uncertainty and transition, with the church congregation having to navigate the changing political and religious landscapes of the region. Today it plays a key role in the local community, providing spiritual guidance and support. The building you see today is a mixture of styles and eras of construction. However, clues like this bricked up door remain from the original structure from the 1100s. It's complemented today by aisles added in the 1600s and further expansion in the 1800s, which all adds an extra layer of intrigue. The church also served as a filming location for the beloved TV series Outlander. In Season 4, Episode 7, called Down the Rabbit Hole, the character of Bree visits a gravesite right here in this remarkable graveyard. A visit to Abercorn Parish Church unveils centuries of captivating history and cultural richness. From its ancient monastic origins to its curious modern-day architectural layout, this hidden gem invites visitors to step back in time and embrace Scotland's vibrant past. As you explore the church's sacred grounds, you can reflect upon the enduring legacy of historic times that have shaped Abercorn's journey through the centuries. Thanks for coming along with me today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and you can subscribe for more. And I'll see you on my next video somewhere else in the world. See ya!